It's amazing. They stop when we stop, and they're gonna walk when we walk. Come on, girls. You wanna say hello? You wanna say goodbye to Buck? Hello, ladies. Hi. Hi. Hello. Everybody's coming to say hello to you, Buck. Hi, girls. My God, you are big. You are really all very big. Hi there. How you doing? Having a nice morning so far? Boy, if you open this gate, I'm gonna have to really run. Okay. Bye, girls. I'll see you next week, okay?